Tired of your cordless vacuum dying before you finish cleaning the whole house? Frustrated by pet hair wrapping around the brush after every single use? Most brands hide these problems behind impressive motor numbers and flashy marketing claims. One vacuum here costs far less than premium brands but outperforms them on suction and runtime. Another famous model scores lower on specs but still earns a spot. Stay until the end for the honest buying answer. All product links are in the description. Let's get started. Number 5. Want a lighter cordless vacuum that handles daily messes without extra complexity? The LEVOIT LEVOIT 200 suits buyers who want simple cleaning without unnecessary complications or features. This vacuum is genuinely lightweight, making it comfortable to carry between rooms and upstairs. The tangle-resistant roller picks up human and pet hair without wrapping around the brush constantly. That feature alone saves frustration compared with cheaper vacuums that jam frequently. Runtime reaches 50 minutes on a full charge, handling most apartments and small homes easily. The 180-watt motor delivers decent suction for hard floors, rugs, and low-pile carpets. Noise reaches 77.5 decibels, louder than some but reasonable for daytime cleaning. The 0.75-liter dustbin requires more frequent emptying during bigger jobs. However, one-click disposal keeps hands clean and the process quick. 5-stage filtration captures pet dander and fine particles effectively. Washable filters and detachable rollers reduce long-term costs. Best for apartments, light pet owners, and first-time buyers prioritizing simplicity. Number 4. Need stronger suction, longer runtime, and a bigger dustbin for less money? The JELLYPIG X100 is built for buyers who want premium-level cleaning specs without paying premium brand prices. Its 650-watt brushless motor delivers up to 55,000 pascals of suction for carpets, hard floors, tiles, and pet hair. That level of power is strong enough for larger debris and deep dust pickup. Runtime reaches 70 minutes, giving it one of the longest cleaning times in this comparison. The 1.8-liter dustbin also reduces interruptions during whole house cleaning. Noise stays around 58 decibels, making it noticeably quieter than several competing models. The V-shaped anti-tangle brush helps prevent hair wrapping around the roller. A self-standing design makes mid-clean pauses easier and safer. The touch screen displays battery life, suction level, and maintenance alerts clearly. HEPA filtration and an 8-layer system improve fine dust capture. Best for large homes, pet owners, and buyers wanting maximum performance per dollar spent. Number 3. Want dependable cleaning tools from the most established cordless vacuum brand? The Dyson V8 Plus is designed for buyers who prioritize proven reliability, strong filtration, and refined tool quality. Its motor bar cleaner head works effectively across hard floors and carpets with consistent debris pickup. The hair screw tool is especially useful for pet owners cleaning upholstery, stairs, and car seats. Suction reaches 115 air watts, giving it dependable power for routine household messes. Runtime reaches 40 minutes in standard mode, though max mode drops to just 5 minutes. That makes it better for regular cleaning than longer deep cleaning sessions. The 0.54-liter dustbin is relatively small, so larger homes may require more emptying breaks. Noise reaches 70 decibels, which stays moderate compared with most cordless vacuums. Home machine filtration captures 99.99% of particles down to 0.3 microns. Build quality feels premium, and the included wall dock improves storage. Best for buyers wanting trusted durability, strong filtration, and dependable brand support. Number 2. Want one cordless vacuum that stays strong in almost every category? The MOHOMO Nova V5 delivers one of the most complete feature sets in this comparison. Its 650-watt brushless motor produces 55,000 pascals of suction, enough for pet hair, embedded carpet dirt, and hard floor debris. Runtime reaches 70 minutes in lower power mode and 20 minutes at maximum. That gives it strong flexibility for both quick pickups and full house cleaning. The 1.8-liter dustbin is large enough to reduce emptying during bigger jobs. Noise stays under 58 decibels, placing it among the quieter models here. The V-shaped anti-tangle brush combines soft and firm bristles for mixed flooring. LED lights on the floor head help expose dust under beds and furniture. The OLED touchscreen shows battery level and cleaning status clearly. HEPA filtration captures 99.99% of particles, and the self-standing design adds convenience. Best for mixed floor homes, pet owners, and buyers wanting strong performance with fewer compromises overall. Number 1. Thick carpets and pet hair need deeper brush contact than most vacuums provide. The Shark IZ363HT is best suited for homes with thicker carpets and regular pet hair buildup. Its PowerFins brush roll keeps continuous contact with carpet fibers for stronger deep cleaning performance than standard brush designs. The self-cleaning brush roll also helps prevent hair wrap during everyday use. Runtime reaches 50 minutes in standard mode, measured at the handheld vacuum. The removable hand vac makes it useful for stairs, car interiors, upholstery, and above-floor cleaning. HEPA filtration and anti-allergen sealing help trap dust, dander, and fine particles inside the system. LED headlights make hidden debris easier to spot under beds and furniture. Its low-profile body also improves reach in tighter spaces. However, noise reaches 84 decibels, making it the loudest vacuum here by a wide margin. The dust cup is also smaller than several competitors. Still, carpet pickup remains its biggest strength. Best for carpet-heavy homes and buyers focused on deeper pet hair removal. Which one should you buy? Here is the honest answer buyers actually need. Best for most buyers. Number 2. The MOHOMO Nova V5 is the one actually worth buying. It combines 55,000 pascals of suction, up to 70 minutes of runtime, lower noise, a 1.8-liter dust bin, and a self-standing design. That makes it the most complete all-around vacuum in this lineup. Best premium brand choice. Number 3. The Dyson V8 Plus is worth buying for brand-focused shoppers. It has excellent filtration, refined tools, and trusted long-term durability. But on pure specifications, it gives less for the category. Best for carpet homes. Number 1. The Shark Cordless Vacuum makes sense for thick carpets and pet-heavy homes. Its PowerFins brush roll gives it the strongest carpet focus here. The trade-off is much louder operation and a smaller dust cup. Check the links in the description for the latest pricing on all models. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with others. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos.